Alright, here is a 42-inch Harbor Breeze brand ceiling fan. This is it's in a apartment it's in an apartment that we're staying in. It's in one of the bedrooms. So it's got a 3-way. It's one of the reproduction ones. There's the light. Yeah, very cool. You see that it only has 2 bulbs working. One of them is burnt out, and see that it has no bulb in it. I'll turn it off. Now I'll turn the fan on now and start the high speed. It's got a buzz that vibrates through the motor. Listen. Let's go to medium. Medium. Low. There's the light. And off. This is one of the reproduction. Anyways, this is actually the features of the fan. It's reproduction one. See, it's got these Harbor Breeze pull chains on it. Oh, stuff. Stop it. Alright, and that is it. That is the 42-inch Harbor Breeze ceiling fan in one of the bedrooms. Thanks for watching.